In this video, we will show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Jeep Grand Cherokee safely. And if your Grand Cherokee is equipped with Quadra-Lift air suspension, you want to watch it. This will avoid damaging your suspension system. You can now see your vehicle's sway bar end link. It's common for the components being removed to be seized up, so don't hesitate to brush them and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using an 18mm wrench, unscrew the upper ball joint retaining nut on the sway bar end link. Use an adjustable wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. Using a 19mm wrench, a ratchet, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the lower ball joint nut. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video from CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. Install it in the sway bar. Then screw the nut back on by hand a few threads. Screw the upper nut back on until it makes contact using an 18mm wrench. Restrict the rotation of the ball joint using a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Screw the lower nut back in until it makes contact. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. If your Grand Cherokee is equipped with Quadra-Lift air suspension, you can now turn off the jack mode.